Rules of survival have just been completely re-engineered. Forget basic camping gear. Today, we are testing 20 of the most extreme, highly advanced solo survival gadgets on Earth. Number 20. Solar Headlight Cap. When darkness suffocates a deserted island, holding a flashlight in your hands is a critical mistake that paralyzes your ability to build shelter or defend against nocturnal predators. But this tactical wearable asset completely re-engineers this survival crisis. This isn't just a piece of clothing. It is a wearable microgrid engineered with built-in solar panels that absorb brutal tropical sunlight by day, converting it into renewable energy to power high-intensity tactical LEDs by night. By shifting the light source directly to your head, this advanced gear grants you a flawless, hands-free survival edge to hunt, chop wood, and navigate hostile jungle terrain in pitch black without ever wasting precious battery life. When freezing nighttime temperatures drop and heavy tropical downpours saturate a deserted island, trying to spark a fire with primitive tools is an absolute death sentence. But this advanced fire-starting gear engineered for the wild completely rewrites the rules of thermal survival. In a hostile wilderness where moisture kills and standard lighters fail instantly, this rugged tactical asset is built to generate intense, high-temperature sparks that can ignite damp tinder under the most punishing outdoor conditions. By giving you an unbreakable shield against wind, rain, and freezing isolation, this elite engineering ensures that you can instantly conquer the dark, cook raw food, and ward off hypothermia with an absolute life-saving edge. Machete. Cleaving a path through a suffocating wall of dense jungle canopy is a physical impossibility without a massive, forward-weighted blade engineered to strike with maximum kinetic impact. This heavy-duty tactical clearing tool turns dense, impenetrable thickets, choking vines, and stubborn coconut husks into minor inconveniences with a single, devastating swing. Forged with an aggressive, weight-forward balance and reinforced high-impact steel, this beast of a blade absorbs the violent shock of repetitive chopping while preserving the survivor's raw physical energy. By effortlessly multiplying your swinging force, this ultimate jungle-clearing asset gives a solo survivor the power to rapidly harvest shelter materials, clear fields of view, and dominate the thickest wilderness terrain on Earth. Bottle filter. The single most shocking way to die on an island is from dehydration while completely surrounded by millions of gallons of water. The ocean is literal poison, and stagnant inland pools are active breeding grounds for microscopic parasites. That is exactly where this ultra-lightweight cylinder becomes your primary life support system. Utilizing a state-of-the-art hollow fiber membrane, it strips away 99.999% of bacteria and microplastics instantly upon suction. You don't need a heavy boiling pot or a fire. Simply thread it onto a standard plastic bottle, squeeze, and watch toxic, murky swamp water transform into crystal clear, life-saving hydration. Emergency Shelter Tube Tent. Trying to construct a storm-proof shelter from wet jungle palm leaves and broken branches while a violent tropical cyclone bears down in your position will leave you soaked, frozen, and completely exposed to deadly hypothermia. This rapid-deploy tactical tube tent completely bypasses hours of exhausting manual labor, creating an instant fortress against the elements in less than 60 seconds. Engineered from extra-thick, puncture-resistant thermal material, this survival capsule seals out howling winds and torrential downpours while reflecting 90% of your radiant body heat back inside. The high-visibility exterior doubles as a massive signaling target for low-flying rescue aircraft, while the military-grade nylon paracord core lets you anchor the shelter securely to rough volcanic rock or jungle trees. By packing an engineered microclimate directly into your palm, this essential asset guarantees a solo survivor stays warm, dry, and alive through the most punishing storms on Earth. Huntsman. Faced with 1,000 unpredictable survival emergencies on a desolate island, hauling a massive chest of heavy tools through dense jungle terrain is an impossible burden that will rapidly drain your physical energy. This pocket-sized engineering marvel packs an entire survival workshop directly into an ultra-compact, lightweight frame that slides effortlessly into your pocket. Equipped with high-grade, precision-honed stainless steel implements, this multifunctional powerhouse lets you effortlessly saw through thick branches for shelter, process raw tinder, strip vines for cordage, and handle intricate campsite repairs on the fly. By packing diverse mechanical versatility into a single indestructible unit, this ultimate pocket asset ensures you always possess the exact tool required to solve complex survival puzzles without ever being weighed down. XReel. Starving to death on a desolate coast becomes an immediate reality when you are burning thousands of calories a day trying to hunt elusive land prey with primitive weapons. This pocket-sized tactical handline bypasses the need for heavy, fragile fishing rods by packing a complete, high-capacity food procurement system directly into the palm of your hand. Engineered with a rugged, high-traction grip that prevents it from slipping out of your hands in heavy surf, its innovative radial design allows for effortless, long-distance casting right from the shoreline or steep rocks. Hidden directly inside its completely waterproof storage compartment is a secure vault to protect your extra hooks, lures, and line from destructive saltwater corrosion. By turning the vast ocean into your personal, limitless supply of raw protein, this ultra-compact fishing asset guarantees a solo survivor can maintain peak physical energy and conquer starvation indefinitely. Waterproof lighter. Freezing to death in a torrential tropical downpour is a certainty if you are relying on traditional matches or standard lighters that instantly fail the moment they get wet. This futuristic plasma tool completely re-engineers survival fire starting by replacing open, wind-vulnerable flames with an intense dual-arc electronic beam that burns right through raging storms. Encased in a heavy-duty, impact-resistant outer shell with a secure locking latch, this device remains completely waterproof even if fully submerged in deep ocean waves. Because it is completely windproof and recharges via solar power banks, it guarantees an infinite source of high-temperature ignition without ever needing lighter fluid. By delivering an unbendable electrical heat source directly into your pocket, this tactical asset ensures a solo survivor can instantly ignite wet tinder, signal for rescue, and defeat hypothermia in the absolute worst weather conditions on Earth. Emergency sleeping bag. Shivering unprotected through a sudden midnight rainstorm will trigger severe hypothermia in a matter of hours, draining your body's core temperature before you ever see the morning sun. This ultra-lightweight, spacesuit-engineered thermal shelter acts as an impenetrable barrier between your body and the freezing elements. Utilizing advanced metallized material, it reflects up to 90% of your radiant body heat directly back to you, while completely sealing out howling winds and torrential downpours. It packs down smaller than a soda can, meaning a solo survivor can carry a complete, life-saving microclimate in their pocket at all times. By creating an instant thermal shield against the deadliest weather on Earth, this critical gear ensures you sleep warm and survive the night when conditions turn lethal. Shovel Multi-Tool. Burying your camp defenses or digging for clean groundwater with your bare hands is a brutal task that will tear your skin apart and leave you exposed to deadly infections. This multifunctional, heavy-duty digging asset consolidates an entire tactical gear locker into a single, indestructible piece of powder-coated carbon steel. Beyond its primary reinforced digging edge, this modular tool folds dynamically into a 90-degree pickaxe, features an aggressive serrated wood saw edge, and locks firmly into place to withstand extreme prying forces. By packing an entire fortress-building toolkit into one ultra-compact folding frame, this ultimate camp-building asset ensures a solo survivor can fortify their perimeter, dig critical drainage trenches, and conquer rough volcanic island terrain with absolute ease. Satellite communicator. The moment you are dragged out to sea by a brutal rip current or stranded on a jagged coastal reef, your connection to the civilized world is severed entirely, leaving you completely invisible to standard cellular networks. This ultra-rugged, palm-sized transmitter acts as an unbreakable electronic lifeline that bypasses traditional cell towers to link directly with a global network of orbital satellites. Featuring a dedicated, protected emergency button, it gives a solo survivor the power to instantly broadcast an interactive distress signal, along with precise, real-time tracking coordinates directly to emergency search and rescue teams worldwide. With its heavy-duty, weather-sealed housing and a battery life engineered to last for weeks, this critical asset ensures that no matter how deep you are lost in the dead heart of the ocean, you can instantly turn a helpless situation into a calculated, high-precision rescue. Loudest signaling whistle. Screaming for help over the roaring thunder of crashing ocean waves and howling storms will blow out your vocal cords in minutes, leaving you completely silent and invisible to rescue vessels. This extreme acoustic launcher completely re-engineers emergency signaling by unleashing a deafening high-decibel shriek that cuts through heavy rain, dense jungle canopy, and ambient wilderness noise for up to 2 miles. Because it is engineered with a completely P-less design, it can be thoroughly soaked in salt water or caked in heavy mud without ever jamming or losing its staggering sound pressure. Requiring minimal lung power to trigger an overwhelming distress signal, this low-profile asset ensures an exhausted, injured, or dehydrated survivor can comfortably command attention and guide rescue crews directly to their location from miles away. Waterproof first aid kit. When you are completely isolated in the wild, a minor cut or a single infected insect bite exposed to wet, swampy jungle air can rapidly escalate into a life-threatening medical crisis. This elite survival asset acts as your personal, indestructible emergency room, protecting your critical medical supplies behind an absolute moisture barrier. Engineered with a heavy-duty, completely waterproof tactical shell, this module ensures that life-saving bandages, antiseptic wipes, and medical tools stay bone dry even during a deep ocean swim or a violent tropical downpour. By equipping a solo survivor with the tools to instantly stabilize traumatic injuries, halt blood loss, and prevent infections in their tracks, this essential gear ensures you can survive the brutal physical toll of isolation without any outside backup. Solar power bank. The exact second your high-tech tactical gear, flashlights, or satellite communicators drain down to 0%, you are instantly plunged back into the dark ages with absolutely no way to navigate or signal for rescue. This rugged, weather-sealed energy vault turns the brutal, blistering island sun into your personal, limitless power grid while boasting an absolute shield against water entry. Wrapped in heavy-duty, impact-resistant outer armor and engineered with multiple high-efficiency solar panels, this massive power cell thrives in the dampest, most punishing outdoor conditions on Earth. Featuring integrated ultra-bright LED emergency panels and multiple fast-charging outputs, it captures raw solar energy by day to ensure your critical lifeline electronics remain fully operational when the rest of the world goes dark. If you want to survive when the world goes dark, hit that subscribe button right now and drop a comment below telling me which of these ultimate tactical assets you're packing in your bug-out bag.